Guys, today I am making the easiest but super tasty cornbread recipe. I've got 2 boxes of Jiffy Mix and 3 eggs. We're also going to be adding an entire bottle of ranch dressing. This is the 16-ounce bottle. Just pour the whole thing in. There's no measuring with this recipe. And we're going to give all of that a really good mix. Pour this whole thing inside. Topping it with, look at these Doritos minis. So we're just gonna sprinkle that all on top. And then this is going to go into the 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Oh my God, this looks so good. Take out a slice, look at how fluffy. That's amazing. Kids are gonna love this.